Hey Ava, can you cook some Italian food for me?
What are my tomatoes?
Hi, I'm Harper.
Ciao, Eva.
Everyone knows how much Italians love their tomatoes. In fact, some people often ask Ava, what would Italian food be without tomatoes? Well, that's the question we hope to answer here today with a little cooking challenge. I challenge you, Ava, to cook me some delicious Italian food without your favorite ingredient.
So, Harper, what do you want me to cook?
We'll start simple. How about some pasta?
Across this great nation, almost everyone has been affected in one way or another by this terrible tomato onslaught.
Cooking a pasta without tomatoes is a pretty easy challenge. I could do the carbonara, pasta with pesto, pasta with ricotta, pasta alla grigia, pasta aglio olio, a ton of very famous pasta dishes. But because I don't like the easy challenge, this time I want to cook a pasta that for sure you never heard of, that will use This recipe is from Napoli, Harper. So, do you know what it means?
Lard?
Lard. Come cucinano a Napoli non cucinano da nessuna parte. Riescono a fare qualcosa di delizioso con niente. Una patata, lardo, pasta e meravigliosa.
Before we dig in, a quick word from today's video sponsor. Sometimes it can be difficult to get all of our servings of fruit and veggies that give us those wonderful vitamins and micronutrients that we need to be healthy. That's why you should check out AG1 by Athletic Greens. It's a comprehensive all-in-one greens powder engineered to fill the nutritional gaps in your diet and support your body's nutritional needs. This special blend supports gut health, it helps with your immunity, improves your energy, your recovery, your focus. All you have to do is take 1 scoop or travel packet per day. That's it. Ava and I were recently on a road trip and we stopped in this little town where, I'm not kidding, the greenest thing we could find to eat was iceberg lettuce. That's when this came in handy. If you visit the link in the description now and make a purchase, you will get for free an added year's supply of vitamin D3K2 plus 5 extra travel packets. Once again, a free year's supply. Year's supply? Yes, a year's supply of vitamin D3K2 and 5 extra travel packets. A big thank you to AG1 by Athletic Greens for sponsoring today's video. On the one hand, I'm not thrilled because as soon as you started cooking, I realized how incredibly easy my first challenge was. On the other hand, I'm very excited because this looks like an amazing plate of pasta.
This is pasta con creme di patate e lardo. No tomato involved.
Doesn't look like it.
Zero.
I've had pasta with potatoes before, but never like this.
So, buon appetito.
Buon appetito. I mean, I should have expected that mashed potato pasta would be good. Of course it's good. It's mashed potato pasta.
The creaminess of this pasta when you buy this pasta.
This is keto, right?
Come on.
I think the shape is really important to this one. You need kind of a big something that holds all that mashed potatoes in there.
Yes, that the potatoes can go inside,
Yeah.
so when you bite, it's just this
Just explodes mashed potatoes in your mouth.
easy, simple, quick,
And tomato free.
tomato free.
I'll admit, our first challenge was a little bit easy, But they're gonna get harder because the next one is a dish that I've seen done without tomatoes outside of Italy, but personally, I've never seen it done without tomatoes in Italy. Pizza.
I make the pizza, but you will be in charge of the oven.
Say hello to our new Uni oven. Lots of you guys recommended that we get one, and we did, and it's awesome, so thank you.
To make this pizza, I need a cheese that in Italy we call stracchino. As you can see, it's a very, very soft cheese.
Okay, there's a lot of pressure.
Are you worried?
Yes, I'm not very good at this. I've never been very good at this. Okay, I think. Woo! Flip it. In Napoli, do they use laser guns to measure the temperature of their oven?
No, I don't think so.
They should. Their pizza would be so much better.
It's good, it's cooked.
What do you think? More on that side?
See, a little bit.
Is that smoked salmon?
This is smoked salmon, Harper, yes.
Okay, I'm pretty intrigued.
The original version of this pizza was stracchino, smoked swordfish, and arugula.
Swordfish?
I couldn't find the smoked swordfish, so I thought that maybe the smoked salmon can replace.
Does it have a name?
The name of this pizza, as I know, is delicata because it should have a very delicate taste.
Crust looks really good. Buon appetito.
Appetito.
Oh, wow. That's a good pizza.
This is a delicious pizza. I should say that also with salmon, it's a very good pizza.
If you use tomato with this, it wouldn't work. It would completely overpower the taste of the fish.
As you can see, Italians know how to make a pizza without tomatoes.
Okay, you've won this one. My next challenge, though, I'm pretty sure is gonna stump you. It's a dish that I've never seen white either here or in Italy. I've never seen it white anywhere. Lasagna.
What Harper seems to have forgotten is that lasagne, the ancestors of lasagne are lagane. Lagane is a traditional and ancient Roman dish. So it's pretty easy to cook them without any tomatoes because the ancient Rome, they didn't have any tomatoes.
As a self-proclaimed ancient Roman history buff, I'm a little bit ashamed that I forgot that lasagna predates tomatoes in Italy. We all make mistakes, right guys?
Anyway, Harper, you forget or you remember, I don't really care because we have a lot of white lasagna in Italy. Nothing special here, it's a pretty common dish.
Okay, can we eat this? It smells so good. It smells so good. I need to try this.
Okay. Buon appetito!
Buon appetito. Not only does it work without tomatoes, that's one of the best lasagna you've ever made for me.
Oh, Harper.
Maybe getting the tomato was bad for the Romans. Maybe they would have kept making better lasagna without it.
Look, the real lasagna alla bolognese, it's something that is out of this world. It's so good that, but from 1 to 10, 11.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed this tomato-free video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to learn more about making pasta like this at home, then check out Ava's complete guide to homemade pasta. The link will be down in the description below. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish this, but we'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
Ciao. But now for real, where are my tomatoes?
No, I'm not giving them back. You don't need them.
I need my tomatoes, Harper. Where are my tomatoes?
You don't need them. Look at this.
No, yes, I understand, but then I need my tomatoes.
Oh,
Where are
sorry.
tomatoes?
Sorry. Ciao.